As a real estate owner and operator with Salesforce as your CRM, the answers you need already live in Salesforce. The problem is getting to them usually means a report request, a queue, and a multi-day wait. Ask Your Org changes that. It connects your AI agent directly to your Salesforce org, read-only and secure, so you can ask questions in plain English and get live answers back in seconds. Let me show you what this looks like against a commercial real estate portfolio. First question, and the kind an asset manager asks every week. Tell me about our upcoming vacancies at the Cedar Heights Shopping Center over the next 6 months. No reports to configure, no field names to remember. Your AI agent reads the suites and leases behind that property, finds the spaces expiring within that window, and comes back with the suite numbers, square footage, current tenants, and expiration dates. Now let's ask a common question from your leasing team. Summarize our leasing pipeline by stage in the Southwest region. Your AI agent groups the open leasing deals by stage and gives you the count and dollar value in each: prospect, LOI, negotiation, and approval. In one answer, you can see where the volume is concentrated and where value is sitting. And here's one aimed at unblocking revenue. Which deals have been sitting in legal for more than 30 days? Your AI agent finds the deals in the negotiation or legal stage that have gone stale past your threshold and lists them out. That's a ready-made follow-up list for your next pipeline meeting. We can watch as our AI agent connects to Salesforce, queries the data, determines the appropriate stages to include, and presents the information back to us in an easily consumable way. It even delivers additional insights like what deals have been stalled the longest, and provides clarification on how it's calculating some of these metrics. This makes it really easy for me to ask follow-up questions and fine-tune the information I'm getting out of it. Now I can follow up with a more complex question. How much GLA do we have expiring in the next 18 months, and how much of it has renewal activity that's already started? Now my agent is connecting two things at once: leases that are expiring and whether there's an active deal against that space. Getting that answer normally means joining data across objects by hand in a spreadsheet or in other tools. Here it's a single question, and I can point it at any window or region that I care about. And if I have other data sources that I want to weave into these queries, that's also possible. For example, if I have connectors to SharePoint or my data warehouse, my AI agent is easily able to pull data from those data sources and join it together with the data that's getting from Salesforce. Now let's go beyond just extracting this data into tables and text and ask our AI agent to generate some charts and graphs for us. Now in a matter of minutes and with simple natural language questions, I have powerful visuals that I can embed into a report or a presentation. Each question I ask delivers valuable insights and is fully actionable with follow-up questions. And if I want to see this grouped by property instead, I can simply ask my agent to do that for me. I don't need to spend time thinking about my data model or how to put together a report or a dashboard. It's a simple question I can just ask my org. Now a question most teams can't answer without an analyst and a spreadsheet. What's our average time from LOI to executed lease? This is the kind of metric that tells you how healthy your leasing operation is, and it usually takes someone an afternoon to calculate. Your AI agent reads the dates on the deals, does the math across the portfolio, and gives you an average in one shot. This is where the value clicks for leadership. You're not just querying records, you're getting operational insight on demand. And since this is all powered by AI, you can quickly drill into this by asking additional follow-up questions, and even turn this into quick charts and graphs to visualize this. The natural language prompting makes it really easy to slice and dice your data different ways and find the metrics and insights that you really need to see day to day. Digging a little bit deeper into some of the charts and graphs we can get out of this, let's see if we can pull a graph of our projected square foot closing over the next year based on our projected close date of active permanent deals. As you can see, our agent is going to quickly query this from Salesforce and turn this into an insight for me. And what's really exciting about this too is that this is a completely generic connector that can hook into your Salesforce environment. It can quickly and intelligently explore your data model, combine that with industry knowledge, and present its findings back to you without even needing any training whatsoever. First, it pulls out the square footage of each deal grouped by month, and then turns it into a graph. I can also ask follow-up questions to filter this and view this in different ways, for example, pulling it into a pie chart grouped by different leasing deal types. And that's the power of Ask Your Org. It gives your AI agent a live read-only connection to your data in Salesforce. It comes with a discovery session to capture questions that matter to your team and a prompt library that will build around how you actually work with a live enablement so everyone's asking the right questions from day one. Your answers are already in Salesforce. This is just how you finally get to ask for them.